Hello, this is Mr. Tyler at Glenwood High School. This is a tutorial for Excel Chapter 3, Project 4. Yeah, click on it. This is really easy. Probably won't take you very long. First thing you need to do, though, is put your file, make a copy, and then make sure you put your initials in front. Okay, it's not that hard. And then you say OK, and when it does it, it'll open up another tab. So you're going to be working on that tab. I'd close this tab out, work on your copy. How do I know it's a copy? Because it tells me up here. And then first things first here, I want to read this. It says, please type all this information from scratch. So that means I'm going to have to type it from scratch. So what would be the best way? That's up to you. But if you type this information down here, okay, that would be awesome. So I'd take and type this information down here. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and type all that for you, but I will tell you how to make like this merge. So I want to highlight that all the way to E. So I want to show you that because you're going to have to go to Format and then merge cells. I'd merge them horizontally. And then how do I get it to widen like that? I would widen it like that. That way you have a big thing to type in, okay? Then I want you to change the font color to black. That means all this right here, like when I'm on here, I want to change the font color here. So text color, I change that to black. And then I'd highlight this, change it to black. I'm just doing one at a time so that you see how to do it. And you just pick black and then notice the change, okay? And then the borders are to be blue, so we'd want to change the borders to blue. And then the row colors to light pink. And so what you do is you just highlight the row here. And then you can make it light pink. This is where your shading is. And this is, you can do something like this, I guess. And it's more like, I guess, but that's, anyway, do the pink. I think I picked the lavender. Oh, I did. It's more of a reddish here, but do a pink. If you want to customize your pink, you can. And then you type your first and last name. So you're going to be typing this information right down here. It's not that hard. How do I change the borders? I'm going to have you guys play around with that, and we'll just go from there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.